From Cadillacs, canoes, to the rumble of the fort, a city rose on steel and grit, a spirit to applaud. The auto plants, the assembly lines, a heartbeat strong and true, built the world on wheels, pushed every dream right through. From Motown's magic rhythms, a sound that shook the globe, to Techno's pulsing future, wrapped in a vibrant robe, a mosaic of cultures where every story's deep, the secrets of resilience that the Motor City keeps. Oh, Detroit, you're the engine and the soul. You're a comeback story, making spirits whole. From the Riverfront's revival to the murals on the wall, we answer every challenge, we stand up after every fall. The spirit of the deep in every single beat, from your urban gardens green to your bustling city street. Grab a coney dog, watch the tigers play, hear the gospel voices on a Sunday day. Walk through Eastern Market, a vibrant, fresh array. See the Renaissance blooming in a powerful way. The dyer's masterpieces, a grandeur to behold. Stories in the artwork, centuries old. From Hitsville U.S.A. to the Heidelberg's bright art, this city's got a rhythm, a vibrant beating heart. Oh, Detroit, you're the engine and the soul. You're a comeback story, making spirits whole. From the Riverfront's revival to the murals on the wall, we answer every challenge, we stand up after every fall. The spirit of the deep in every single beat, from your urban gardens green to your bustling city street. Seen the winter's gray, felt the chill wind blow, but underneath the asphalt, a steady fire glows. We know about the struggle, the shadows and the pain, but we always find the sunshine after the pouring rain. A pride that runs deep in every woman and man, building a brighter future